So chapter 1011 just dropped and there is a lot to talk about. So first let's just start by talking about Big Mom. How do you like the Big Mom progression this chapter?
Yeah, to be honest, I really like that side of Big Mom. Like she being a mother and her motherly love towards Tama, and yeah, I guess it was really like it was nicely portrayed. Yeah, I like that some bits where it's something off. I like that.
It is better than the amnesia plotline, right? Like she
Yeah, yeah,
suddenly loses her
anytime.
memories all of a sudden and then starts fighting everyone because she doesn't remember anything. It is better than that actually because we saw this side of her during Whole Cake Island. She talked to
Do
her
yeah,
little kids just like this uh,
yeah, yeah.
without doing any harm to them. So I'm not really surprised after seeing her like this with Tama because especially with Tama, Big Mom and Tama they always had a good relationship because Tama actually fed Big Mom.
Hmm.
So Big Mom never had
Yeah.
anything against Tama. So I'm not really against this type of a portrayal from Big Mom, but many people did not like this actually. They need to go back and read Whole Cake where Big Mom actually was really good to her kids who were like
Small
two, three
kids.
year old. Yeah, small kids, very small
Yeah.
kids. She was very polite with them. So it's not
Yeah, and
it's kind of surprising if you don't remember everything, but it's not really a surprise if you do. You know what I'm saying? It's better
Mhm.
than the Amnesia
Yeah,
plotline. I would take this over the Amnesia plotline any day. But page one got
yeah,
destroyed
of course.
completely. He got destroyed. She used Conqueror's Haki on him. She used advanced Conquerors.
Yeah, like it was almost like it was so obvious that yeah, like being a Yonko, you like being a Yonko, like there's the single feat, that you can use that you can
Quote yourself.
quote Conqueror's Haki.
Yeah.
So
And
I think it
also,
was it was just it was just a matter of time that we saw from her.
yeah, it's just,
So I
yeah.
wasn't Yeah, so I don't think anybody was, shocked, but yeah,
Also, in the beginning, she created a new homie called Hera. She's a female. Zeus,
yeah,
basically. I mean, it was
yeah,
clear the previous chapter that she was going to make a new lightning homie. We just saw her this chapter. She seems to be very very strong because she destroyed Kid and Killer and threw them straight into the castle. So also
yeah,
it's really strong. It's better than Zeus. So Zeus, I think should go back to Nami because Nami will get that power up. I think so. Oda will give
yeah,
her.
of course.
Yeah, Oda will give her. But I wanted to see a 2v2 from Nami, Nami and Usopp versus Ulti and Page One. I wanted to see that 2v2, but now that Big Mom has arrived and destroyed Page One, I don't think we will get to see that anymore. Ulti is
Mhm.
also right there. So what
Yeah,
is
like I even I think that Page One and Ulti are to be, knocked out, knocked like
yeah? I think Page One is
from
out.
the fight.
Page One is knocked out. I
Yeah,
think
Page One
definitely.
not killed, of course, but
Yeah,
he has to be dead,
yeah,
like drop.
yeah. He cannot fight
Yeah,
anyone else. I don't think so because he got hit by the
yeah.
advanced Conqueror's Haki. So and Ulti,
Or maybe it can be possible that he can't like he cannot fight in near future, but like at the climax
towards
he
the
can.
very end,
Yeah,
he
towards
might
the
come back.
very end.
Yeah, there's a slight
Yeah,
possibility. Also Hawkins also came back this chapter. We were all waiting to see what he
yeah.
does. He's still siding with Kaido because he thinks that Kaido is going to win. So
Yeah,
his
he
cards
can.
are, yeah, still maybe showing Kaido winning after all this. And Killer just
Yeah,
being a boss, talking to him like, "Go to hell! I don't need any of your luck. I
of course,
absolutely love this."
because Hawkins winning this fight with like Hawkins versus Killer, it is like Hawkins wins 92%,
Yeah,
and
he
of
told
course
him that your chances of
Killer
winning are
Killer being just
92%.
8%. So yeah,
Yeah, but I think Killer should win. Or if he does not win,
yeah, of course,
he needs to die.
Yeah,
I think
Killer
either
can
of one
win
of those two. Yeah,
Yeah, and to be honest, like his his scythes are more powerful than hay of what Hawkins hay.
yeah, but he can
So
also
I
use
think
weapons. So
yeah, it can, yeah, of course it can, he can use weapons in his, that monster when he fought Zoro, like earlier, of course. But of like I think Killer has a slight hand in terms of weapons and shit. So I think Killer can win this fight.
I think
And
he
yeah,
should. I
I'm
think he should win. If he wins, it would be a great character development for him.
but at the but we can also say we can also say that like after fighting Hawkins, I don't think he'll be able to fight anyone else.
Yeah, no, definitely
Like
not. If he defeats Hawking, I mean, he's almost dead. That's a high death fight for him. He would barely
yeah,
pull off this if he beats Hawkins. So
yeah,
let's just get that
and
straight.
and if and if Oda shows in, like he fights Hawkins and he's again fighting someone else later, I don't think I'll be like much, like happier about this decision, because of course Killer is a supernova with Hawkins, but I don't think he's superior than Hawkins.
No,
Like
definitely not. I
he,
don't think so
like
either because he's a vice
yeah,
captain
like
and
yeah,
Hawkins
at
vice
the end of
captain.
the day.
Yeah, at the end of the day. Yeah. Even,
So yeah, like
yeah,
I think.
all these chapters of Big Mom coming to Wano, fighting Kaido, all of this bullshit. Even still, I can't figure out the purpose of Big Mom being in Wano. Is she going to defeat Kaido just like this is the beginning of that, or like is she going to get defeated by Luffy? I don't know what's going to happen with her. What do you think is going to happen with Big Mom? Like I'm so confused with Big Mom right now. हेलो.
हेलो.
अबे क्या कर रहा है?
अरे मैं वो म्यूट करके बोल रहा था रे.
क्या ही रहा है?
ठीक है.
बोल
थ्री
अभी.
टू वन. Even I think that like her purpose, like her purpose isn't. अरे बेटी. Yeah, even I think that her purpose right now in Wano, isn't that great. Like, okay, capturing Luffy is a one thing, but why would a Yonko come into another Yonko's territory? Like that's really like it doesn't click. So I think there would be much more purpose for her to come to Kaido's territory.
Yeah, because she is the most developed Yonko at the end of the day. She is the most
Yeah.
developed one. She also has a backstory, a prominent one. So Oda just playing around with Big Mom because if she really fights Kaido right now after all these chapters and then sides with the Straw Hats and then fights Luffy sometime, some other time, maybe in Elbaf as everyone else is saying, then what's the purpose of her being in Wano just to uh,
Right now. Yeah.
fight Kaido,
Like just
just to
to.
nerf Kaido?
Hmm.
Like I wouldn't like that. I would like if she falls in Wano alongside Kaido. I would like that. Yeah, I would really like that because I do not want
Mhm.
three straight arcs with Big Mom in it. Whole cake, Wano, and now
Yeah,
again after Wano,
Wano
one
and then
more arc with Big
Elbaf.
Mom. I would have liked that with
Yeah,
Shanks or Blackbeard. Give me those characters over. I would take them over Big Mom for 3 arcs.
yeah, of course. Like even I think the same. That yeah, like she like her like it's now her to settle down. Like like it's over.
Yeah,
Like she has to go down right now or it's never.
yeah, and Cade is right there. I think Cade might put the things back to order
Like
where he starts fighting Big Mom and then Big Mom also goes back to fighting Cade and then Big Mom snaps out of it maybe, or maybe Tama tells Big Mom to defeat beast pirate which is present there. Who knows?
Yeah, like it can be possible.
Yeah.
So do you think like defeating page one and ulti or ulti, like can this be related to some betrayal plot ahead?
Maybe because Ulti, I knowing a little bit about her character, Ulti might start fighting Big Mom. She would take her anger off of Big Mom because they have a brother sister relationship, some kind of a brother sister relationship, her and Page One. So I would assume Ulti is angry now at Big Mom. And her being present there was no coincidence. Oda made her present there and witness Page One getting mobbed by Big Mom so she could fight Big Mom. And Big Mom might mob her too next chapter, who knows? Maybe. But Kid, the main point here is Kid again. Kid might go back to the fight with Big Mom and distract Big Mom from defeating the Beast Pirates, or even Kid. If Kid sees Big Mom destroy the Kaido pirates one by one, he might stay out of it if it's smart. You know, he won't fight Big
Yeah,
Mom and he won't interrupt.
yeah. Yes.
That
But
that's what I would do.
but I don't. Yeah, but I don't think like to be honest, I won't like that part, like that story going down. But like yeah, I don't know. Like I want like Big Mom and Kid like fighting. Like I don't want her to. I don't want Big Mom to defeat like all of Beast Pirates and then later on fighting. Uh,
Yeah, Kid, because no one believed that Kid could fight Big Mom one on one. That's why even Oda knows that Kid cannot fight Big Mom one on one. That's why he made her fight Page One and destroy Page One and maybe destroying Ulti in next chapter. But I still can't think of what's the purpose of Big Mom being in Wano. Like, is she going
yeah,
down? Is she not going down? I can't even think of that. But Luffy, that brings me to Luffy. Luffy fighting
yeah.
Kaido one on one on an
One v
equal
one like
base.
goat.
That too in base form. Like before Wano, if you would have told me that Luffy can fight Kaido one on one, that too when Kaido is in his hybrid form, going all out, I wouldn't have believed you at all. Luffy fighting Kaido one on one. What do you think about that?
Yeah, like of course it is goat. Like Luffy fighting. Like who would have thought that like base Luffy fighting Kaido, and that too even in his hybrid form. Like I think it's really and to be honest, now I can proudly say that Luffy can be called as a fifth Yonko.
Yeah, definitely. He is the fifth Yonko because, and it also makes sense, right? Conqueror's Haki. They are both using Conqueror's Haki. Luffy is matching Kaido
Yeah,
in Conqueror's Haki, and Luffy's will. We all know how strong it is. So Conqueror's Haki being a
yeah,
direct connection to willpower, and Luffy using it at this level, it all makes sense because right throughout the series we have been seeing Luffy's willpower grow, and it was always very high. So I'm not really surprised that Luffy is fighting Kaido based on the power up of Conqueror's Haki that he got. The only problem with that would be that he figured it out maybe a too little too fast. We didn't really see how he figured it out. Like it would have been
yeah.
good, like or not, because it would have ruined the surprise of Conqueror's Haki. Being able to quote yourself in Conqueror's Haki. So that was a good plot, I would say. Yeah,
Yeah,
anything.
like
Yeah,
no,
I'm not.
I don't think he learned it too fast, to be honest. Like when Luffy fought Kaido for the first time, and when Kaido punched him, like punched his Bagua, like he used Thunder Bagua and like kicked like through Luffy flying. Like I guess Luffy felt that Kaido coated his like
Club
what
in
his
Conqueror's.
weapon with, yeah, his club with Conqueror's Haki.
Yeah,
and
he
and
also
after
mentions that.
and after and yeah and after Zoro teaching him how to coat his armament Haki, I guess he can like he could have figured it out, just like Gear 2.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah,
So, what do you think will prediction for the next chapter? Do you have any?
I to personally I want to see like what other Straw Hats are doing, like Frankie, Nami, and like Robin versus Black Maria, what Sanji's doing. And to be honest, now I want a stop to like Kaido and Luffy, and I want to see other Straw Hats,
Yeah, I want to see
or
Sanji.
maybe
I want a Sanji
yeah,
matchup. I want to see who's Sanji going to fight. And I also want to see
yeah.
Jinbei versus who's who. That is a fight I really want to see.
Yeah, of course.
Hope we get it.
Or maybe we can see some insights of CP0, like they're doing something, or maybe like what's Drake doing, or maybe about Sword or something. And now I want a rest to like Kaido and Luffy, to be honest.
Yeah, CP0 would be really amazing. Really good.
Yeah,
CP0 or Sanji stuff. Some Sanji stuff, some Jinbei stuff, some CP0 stuff.
yeah,
That would
like
be
something
very good.
like something about other Straw Hats and not about Luffy and Zoro right now. Of course, I want to know what they're doing, like what Luffy and Zoro are doing, of course. But like, of course, like other Straw Hats are
Yeah, I get it.
like
I get it. Yeah,
equally.
we have to wait a long time though. There's a break.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we'll see what happens next chapter. For
So
the whole
what?
chapter.
So what do you think? What will you rate this chapter?
I would rate it a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, like personally, I would give it a 8. Like it was really good, but yeah.
Yeah, not 8 for me. I would give it a 7 because